So this is my old switch which has been spoiled and I'm going to replace it. I don't know much about electricity, but just by looking into these connections I'll show how to do that. So this is that old thing, 3 plug, and that is the button for on off. As you can see, it has come out, 2 terminals. So first thing which I will do is I will just see where I can attach these terminals in this new board. So I open that switch. So this is that switch, new switch, and one on off button and one socket. So I lose this end now and attach it to the same corresponding terminal in the new switch. That is for light indicator. So here I am opening this, detaching this, and see, now I am going to attach it here at the corresponding position in the new switch, and that's what I have done. Now I'll detach another terminal, that red, and that also I'll attach. This I will detach and attach here, and so here I go. Now these are the 3 terminals. I'm trying to detach that. So I've detached. Now I'll attach it to this new position. And there I've attached it. Now these 3 terminals in the switch, one in neutral, the green wire is neutral, so it is on the head top position. I'll detach from this and put it here. So that's what I have done. Same way, the yellow wire and the red wire I have attached to the respective positions, and now I have to fit this switch back into the wall, and there it is.